In today's digital world, online auctions have become immensely popular, offering users the thrill of bidding and winning unique items at incredible prices. One such exciting concept is a penny auction website. Are you also overwhelmed with the success and popularity of penny auction websites and planning to develop one for your business? Now that you have decided to create a penny auction website, get well versed with the step-by-step development process. Planning and research are the crucial steps of penny auction website development. Identify your target audience, study successful penny auction websites, and define your unique selling proposition. Designing a user-friendly and visually appealing interface ensures the success of a penny auction website. Also, create wireframes that ensure an intuitive browsing experience for your users. Now, begin the penny auction website development process. The process involves implementing the latest features, functionalities, tech stacks, and more to create a robust website. Comprehensive testing is essential to ensure a smooth user experience. Conduct rigorous testing across multiple devices and browsers to fix all the issues. Finally, your penny auction website is ready to launch. Now, develop a marketing plan to generate buzz and attract users. Building a penny auction website requires careful planning and technical expertise. With the right team, your penny auction website can become a thriving online marketplace. For professional assistance in developing your own penny auction website, contact DevTechnosis today.